Okay, here's my logo screen today, everyone, and here's my second topic title of the splash screen, and then now we enter into the BarterIt screen. Currently, I am as the login mode, so if I'm going to log out first. Okay, now we are an unregistered user, and for the unregistered user, they are still able to see the BarterIt screen, but they are not able to publish their possession because they require to log in first, and they are not able to see the profile tab screen also. So, but there's some benefits for the unregistered user. They can view how our application going to interest him, as they can still able to access the bio detail screen, so that they can know our screen they can know the things that interest him, so that they are able to they are willing to register as our user, right? So that's my opinion. So, but they are not able to trade with their run the butter function. Like if they press the trade, there's no data for them to trade. So if they confirm the trade, it can't possibly let them to trade with their own item because they are not registered as they are not publishing anything and registered as a user. So there's no data for them. Okay, now after for the unregistered one, so I'm going to show you with the registered one. So now currently I'm logging as a Peter, and my password is in a secure text. And now I log in success, and now we are able to publish our item and see the see our profile. So now we are as Peter and already published some of the position, and so we are able to see our possession published in the market. So let's say Oven is over here. So the is Oven is over here. So we already log in as the publish our position as Oven, and we are able to see in the buyer tab screen. So for the storage wall decoration, I have stored it instead of publish it. The system will not be showing the storage possession in the market. Let's say now we see as wall decoration. So there's no wall decoration here. So currently we have 8 position published, and there's no wall decoration. So now I'm going to just focus on the buyer tab screen. So as you can just, if you notice that every time the indexing for the layout is different. Let's say the current is Oven and dog statue and book rack, right? If I'm going to load it again, now the book rack becomes the first index and the illustration and the dog statue. It is a bit different for the indexing because I just implement the shuffle. Not here. Shuffle is over by tab screen. Okay, let's search for the shuffle. Okay, I just implement the possession data shuffle so that the user can see the different item every time if they press they reload the buyer screen. So I also have put the refresh icon here so that the user can refresh every time to see the new item if there's new item, latest item available. So, or they just simply want to refresh it to shuffle it. Let's say I really refresh. Okay, refresh. If I just refresh, it will going to shuffle it every time. So complete for the indexing, and now I'm going to talk about the pagination. For the last update, I just use the pagination for the user can have the container, can see the container on the top, and then they can press the page for the new pagination for the new page. But now I already implement the look on scroll pagination, which is just search for scroll. Okay. They use the scroll listener and to load more possession. If the current page is larger than the number of page or equal, the reach end of the list will become true. So if they reach end of the list, it will be showing you have reached the end of the list. Otherwise, it will just show the circular progress indicator. So I'm going to show you the PHP now, and here's my PHP. Okay, load possession, perfect. So currently I just limit the pagination to 5 results per page, so that for every scroll, if they didn't scroll it, it will just only show 5 possession at a time. But that's how I limit it using here. And also, if you have noticed it, I use the descending order so that the user can see the latest possession to be on top instead of on the bottom. If they publish a new item, they will just show on top on the first 5 instead of on the bottom on the last 5. So I use the descending to show the latest item, and also I already implement the descending order here in my publish screen also. So the user can, if they every time they publish a new item, they are able to see on top. For the published item here, it is not in a shuffle mode, so they are able to see the latest item they publish on the top of the first item they publish. So go back to the BarterIt. Here's the already complete the pagination in the limited as the page first result and the result per page, and complete for the PHP. Now I'm going to talk about to show you how my pagination going to work. So if I scroll down, and I'm able to, let's do it again. Scroll down. There's a circulator, right? The circular progress indicator, and I keep continue scroll down, and it will show me it will give prompt text of you have reached the end of the list. Same with the coding, I have to do it here, and else it runs with circular progress indicator. So currently the pagination is running so well here, and I'm going to search for perform the search function here. So let's say if I'm going to search for Oven, okay. Now we only have 1 position with Oven here. So, and it will also show that we have reached the end of the list. So the Oven is now showing on only 1 position available found. So the search position is complete now, and now we are going to do the pagination. The search function is complete. Now we're going to about to the buy detail, the second task, which is the buy detail. Okay, here if the user just only press, that's 2 image here, right? If the green one stands for cash, goods, service, and the red one stand for others. So if they press on this without pressing this, if they press for this, they will just they can directly trade on here without entering into the buyer detail screen. But if they press on here, they are able to entering into the buyer detail screen. And now the let's move to here. In the buyer detail screen, they have I have the user are able to see the image which they are required to publish upload 3 images, and able to see the position name and able to see the position type, the owner's name, the date they publish, and the description, so that so that the request user can know what the owners want, so that they can trade with the trade with the trade with the desired item the owners want. And if they press on here, because I am Peter in this screen, so I'm not able to trade with my own position. Also, if I enter to here, the system also prompt about you cannot trade with your own position. So I'm going to do it with the illustration here. So I'm Peter also. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the book rack. So I'm going to barter it with currently I'm going to barter it to perform the barter function. So let's say here's the cash. Now I have 500 available. So I can, let's say I just want to put 40 ringgit at this time, and then select my storage, then confirm the trade. The request is the system will run the request is sent, and the user are where the user can able to see their request is over their history here. Publish, storage, and history. Storage is for their position which haven't published, and history is showing the request list. So that's the benefit of my application, which my position are able to request for multiple request. For multiple position are able to request for multiple position. You can see it here. This is in the history, which is I'm showing the history where it goes. History is over here, and just load the request. Okay, load the request. They are able to see the request here, and all the requests is here. And for user better understanding, I just change the username equal to, if the username equal to widget.username, they will be changing to you. So I don't know if you can see it in this screen. The request only show with all the relevant item they request, the current user request. Let's say Peter. So they have their own position. Here's the how to say. Here's their published item, and here is for you. Here is their request item. Request item. So if the request list is not relevant to that widget.username, it will not be showing here, because I have implement with the how I do it. Load request with the user ID is equal to user ID. So load request, let's move back to here. Okay, I think it's here. And then PHP, and then load request. Okay, here. Okay, view. Okay, if for the request, that's quite an important thing, because for the table request, I load it to join with the table position and the table request. So I will use the inner join, and if the inner join as holding position and inner join as holding position, if the owner position user ID or the request. Okay, now here's I use inner join with two tables with the same position, as the one as owner and another one as user position. So you can see here's the owner one, and here's the normal request user one. So if that is the owner position ID equal to the current user, or table request ID here equal to the current user, then he is able to see all the relevant results here. That's all for my history, and I'm going back for okay. Now for this screen, continue with this screen also. Okay. Here's the cash input, and here is the things they show. And if there's a method which, if you are the owner, you are able to accept or reject the request. But if you are a request user, you are able to cancel the request. Let's say I'm going to cancel this request. So if I press the cancel request, okay, if I press the cancel request here, okay, the request is cancelled. So this is not what cancel what request. Never mind. So I'm going to cancel this one again. Cancel this again. Cancel for this book rack and wall decoration for the Barter. If I cancel it, okay, now the request is cancelled, and it is no longer can be viewed here. The cancel request, which means I delete the request from the table request. So as I mentioned, I don't know if I mentioned just now, the user are able to trade with the same position at multiple requests. So if now you can only see one storage position, right? If I'm Peter. Okay. If I'm going to trade with this, I can trade for multiple requests. I can just confirm trade. If I just press 50 ringgit. Okay, 50 ringgit. I just press 50 ringgit just now, and we are able to see. You see, the request order here are 40 ringgit and 50 ringgit here. So the user are able to trade with the multiple requests here. But if I enter to Harry now, and to confirm trade with him, Harry. Okay, I think wrong. Harry password should be. Log in as Harry now. As you can see multiples are multiple items are now requesting. So if I just confirm the request here, okay, I just accept the request here, the other request will be cancelled. Is I'm go that I use the coding that in request where I place in request in history, I think history. Yeah, for the load request, I check if the available is equal false, and for both available is equals false. So yeah, if equal false, I will just delete the request. So and other else, I just add all the requests. So I'm going to show it here. I just press accept. You see, congratulations, Barter success. And for the other request cancelled, they are not able to see request cancelled. They are not able to see the for the multiple art now. So I just got 50 ringgit. So let's just check. Okay, now originally I was 400. Now wait, originally I had 500, but now I already complete the request. Okay, I already complete the request. Okay, users are able to see the request cancelled also. I already complete the request. They are no longer can be pressed because I just use it here. Over here. Just search for it. Complete. Okay, if it is rejected or completed, they are not able to press it. Other else they are able to press it for this. Okay, let's say I just reject the request here. Reject the request here. As they are not able to press it for the rejected one. And now I already finished for the to show you all the logic for the Barter, and if then the reject and the complete one, and there now I'm going to show you the top up for my credits for the user's request. For the Peter, he has the 450 ringgit. So if they want top up, if he wants to top up, he can just press on this bar, and it will show 1 ringgit, 5 ringgit, 10 ringgit, 20 ringgit, 50 ringgit, and 100 ringgit. So if they just want to top up for 100 ringgit, okay, it will show to the bill option, and 100 ringgit will be shown, and using the bill please, pay for the bill please, and that's a successful payment here. Okay, the payment is successful. Your account has been topped up with 100 ringgit. Okay, now they have to log out, only can see the login again. Okay, now he is 550 ringgit here. He already topped up successfully. And here's my payment system, and the users are able to top up their payment. And now I'm going to show you the update profile. Okay, last one. The last one is for update profile. Update profile is over here. Okay, if the user going to press the edit profile, they are able to update their name, update their phone number, or update their password. So if for the Peter, I'm going to update the name with Barter. Okay, yes, the name will be stayed as the Barter. So I'm going to edit profile again to change the phone number. Now it's 019876543. So I'm going to 01122334445. Yes, the name as the zero. The phone number has already been updated, and lastly for the password, and the old password is ABC123. For the new password will be DEF45456. Okay, if I press, now success, it will show success, and this now the preference is no longer can be used, so I have to retype it again. Peter. Oh no, now my name is Barter. Okay, DEF456. Remember me, and I log in. Okay, preference stored and login success. So here's the finish. I think that's all for my demonstration here, and the top-up screen, and I think there's no need for the. Oh, yes, one more thing. For I just it's not again. I didn't just press the storage, so it comes out with error again. So I reload it. So I'm going to talk to you about when the user is completed, the request is completed, they will not be able to see it again in the here, because just now I just complete one Barter, right? So now the completed Barter is already been removed from the okay, this completed Harry and the word decoration. The Harry with dog status statue is already been removed from the buyer screen, so they are not able to. The rest of the dog statue is missing. So, and also for the storage, as I have to press on the storage, only can press on the history, because it is too fast to change the page. The page will become the second one will be unloaded and comes with error. So okay, and history, okay, here with the and word decoration. So the word decoration no longer can be viewed on the storage. You see the storage is empty here, so it's no longer can be viewed on the storage. Okay, I think that's all for my demonstration. Thank you.